Hey everyone, get ready to dive into our latest pool transformation video. We've worked magic on our client, Perno's pool, using the stunning Florida stucco Nassau Petite finish. The results? Simply breathtaking. We've turned the infinity edge into a beautiful planter for palm trees, adding a unique focal point. The textured Nassau Petite finish enhances the overall ambiance. We've also added a sun shelf for relaxation and play. The lush palm trees add a tropical vibe, creating a serene atmosphere. We're thrilled with this transformation and hope you are too. For more stunning transformations, follow us at JMC Pools. And remember, if you're dreaming of a pool makeover, we're just a message away. Dive into your dream pool with at JMC Pools.